Dear friends, our common goal is a world without nuclear weapons.
"75 years after Hiroshima and Nagasaki, nuclear weapons continue to pose one of the greatest threats to humanity.
The tragedy of Hiroshima and Nagasaki must never be repeated.
Nuclear testing heightens global tensions, leaves devastating and enduring impacts on people and the environment.
More than 2,000 tests had been conducted, and each test contributed to the development of nuclear weapons.
Nuclear testing facilitates the development of nuclear weapons. It's as simple as that.
We owe it to today's youth who demand a nuclear test-free world for a world free of nuclear weapons.
The question is, how can we work together to diminish these threats? The Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty is an important part of the answer.
A key strength of the CTBT is its global network of stations that are able to detect nuclear tests.
All countries except North Korea respect the CTBT's no-test norm. However, the treaty is still not in force.
8 specific countries still need to ratify the treaty before it can enter into force.
The treaty also includes a sophisticated verification system that can only be implemented once the CTBT comes into force.
Human resources development is a key to reinforcing the verification regime.
We will put an end to nuclear testing if we act together with respect and dignity.
I repeat my call on states that have not signed or ratified the Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty to do so immediately, and on all states to renew efforts for the entry into force of this essential treaty, which is long overdue.